Okay, so we've got first light tonight for the Askar FRA500. Like an idiot, I didn't realize that the power from this 12 volt wasn't plugged in all the way, which of course is an issue because those 12 volt DC plugs are just notoriously fiddly. So anyway, I've got the Dwarf and the Askar set up, pointing south. I'm on the east side of the van. I see Orion. Wow, the stars are really out tonight. I think this is Bortle 2. Incredible. So now I'm going to start the alignment. Medium gain, 10 degrees, okay.
Night 1 in Kanab threw us a mechanical curveball. The ASI 2600 Duo was returning clover-shaped stars, a sign of mechanical oscillation and overcorrection. Think of it like trying to take a long exposure photo while standing on a bowl of jello. The loose gravel was shifting, and the mount was chasing the seeing. I had to stabilize the ground and the brain of the rig. So I swapped the rubber feet for tripod spikes and dialed the auto-guiding aggressiveness down to 35%. The pivot worked.